So the Milwaukee Gen 4. I made a video and I talked about a feature that I don't think a lot of y'all took me serious because it was a quick video. It was dark. So in this video, I want to show you a feature that nobody's really talking about. Like nobody said it, not even Milwaukee reps. Nobody said anything about this. I found this out by accident. And I'll show you. I don't know if you guys are like me, but if you are, when you buy new tools, you tend to just grab your tool and play with it for a little bit. I know that sounds weird, but I like to get familiar with my tools, especially this one being a brand new model. I said, you know what? I'm gonna just tinker with it a little bit, just play with it, just see what it's about. How does it feel in my hand? It feels just like the old one. It feels just like the whatever, So these have anti-kickback. They see it's working. It's a full battery. They have anti-kickback. It's right here. It's in this center thing here. I can't see that. Focus on that. So it's got the auto stop, right? And so that's meant so that if you're drilling and you catch onto a knot or whatever, it's supposed to stop. Mine doesn't stop because I took that feature off, and you can put it back on at will. So this is the selector lever. If you put the selector lever to the center, which is a lock, right? It's supposed to lock the trigger. It locks the trigger, but there's movement in the trigger. And if you pull this trigger 5 times, this little light's gonna turn on down here. Look at this spot right here. I know it's gonna be hard to look at both things, but focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's blinking. When it blinks, that means that it is now activated to do anti-kickback. So now you could pull your trigger forward, right? The lever, the selector lever, we're going forward. Now if I pull the trigger, and if I do a fast movement in the orientation of which the bit would turn your wrist this way, it stops from working. Let's do it again. It stopped from working and is blinking. One more time. It is activated. It's a safety feature. Okay. I can see why Milwaukee reps wouldn't want you to know that. They don't want you to take it off. They don't want you to hurt yourself. So let's take it off. Let's go back to the center. Let's pull the trigger 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is now activated or deactivated. Now, no matter how much you pull the trigger going forward, it will not stop on you, which is the feature I want. If I know I'm going into a really hard surface with really dense wood, with the really, really big bit, I'm going to put the handle on it. I don't need the anti-kickback for every little screw. A little twist of the wrist is okay. I mean, I get safety. Let's do it again. Let's deactivate it. Is it activated? No, just deactivate it. Go to center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's activated. There you go. I don't like that feature. I'm taking it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, solid means, hey, you're good to go. Man mode. That's girly mode. I'm sorry, guys, but I don't run into that feature, so I'm going to just take it back off. Yep. And I'm happy with that. So yeah, pretty cool little feature that maybe you guys didn't know. So share this video, show it to your compadres, everybody in the Milwaukee world. Oh, Team Red. I like Milwaukee and I like Makita. So yeah.